We are going to explore shipbuilding PLM work packages. We are going to the product model to select blocks. Then we will view the BOM relationship to open up the connections 3D DPN viewer. We can expand the BOM structure to view the primary product hierarchy that came from ShipConstructor in order to find what assembly and components to add to a new work package. On the work package form, we can add planning attributes that typically come from an integrated master schedule. We can locate and add the related connections to the work package in order to account for accessory packages that are associated with them, and therefore add the accessories like nuts, bolts, and gaskets that need to route from the warehouse to the production floor. We can easily add production drawings from the assembly to the work package. This allows production to have access to drawings from the work package. We can also add model drawings and a diagram to help them understand the scope of work. From the DPN, we can easily find context parts to bring into our work package. This allows you to see what you're working on as well as the context location of where you are working. Planners can enrich the parts they bring into their work package. Planning attributes can be added like sequence, budget, and planner notes. Material for the parts can be added for the warehouse by selecting PBOM or Include Accessories. PBOM is for the modeled parts or child parts to be added to the PBOM relationship for ERP and the warehouse. Include Accessories is for the connected non-modeled parts like nuts, bolts, and gaskets. Drawings can be viewed through the PDF viewer. Model drawings can be viewed through the monolithic viewer. Production drawings and diagrams can be viewed through the PDF viewer. You can easily see your content against your context. The work package DPN has the additional properties, sequence and action, while in edit mode, can enrich a few of the planning properties in the DPN like task budget, sequence, and planner notes. While in the DPN, you can rotate and move objects. This allows you to create markups to let production know how to handle certain situations. You can add this to a discussion and tag production members in the discussion. Once you complete your work package sequencing, you can easily sort by sequence the select by sequence to verify your build or installation order. This concludes our Shipbuilding PLM work package demo. Thank you for watching.